Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I've got a very exciting video. I've got a friend mail from Vicky from Glitter Sparkle Nail Design. I'm really excited to open up this box, and I know that Vicky is really excited herself. She's been trying to get this one to me for a little while now, but obviously with lockdown it's been easier said than done. I'm extremely excited to open this up and see what I've got. I know she sent me so many goodies. Bless her, she is an absolute diamond and she spoils me rotten. So I'm going to crack on, I'm going to open it up, see what goodies I've got. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please like and subscribe. And also head on over to Vicky's channel, which I will link in the description box below. And go over to her channel and subscribe as well. I'm just going to pull everything out one by one, as the box is actually too big to fit on frame, the way my camera's set up currently. But yeah, let's jump in and see what's inside of here. As always, she always sends me a very cute little card, which I absolutely love, and I will keep that safe and put it in my folder with the rest of them. It says, "Hey sweetie, here's some goodies, hope you can get some use out of it all, and I clutch you as a bestie honey, lots of love, Vicky." I love you too, you're the sweetest. The first thing, I can't believe she sent this to me. I'm so happy. I didn't know she was going to send me this at all. It's her spring/summer jelly collection. She featured a video recently on her channel, which I will try and link up here, but this collection looks absolutely amazing. You got a yellow, a green, a blue, a purple, orange and a pink. I will do a separate video swatching these and showing you guys them a bit more in depth, but they are really gorgeous and at a fantastic price too. So yeah, I'll definitely do a video ASAP showing these ones. But thank you so much, Vicky. I cannot believe you sent these to me. I'm absolutely well made up with them. I can't wait to have a go with them. And she sent me one of her homemade bracelets. Look how gorgeous that is. Look how absolutely stunning that is, with the like sort of purple sort of multi-chrome shifting beads with the black ones. It's absolutely stunning. There you go, it fits my wrist really well as well. Thank you so much, honey. It looks good with my nails as well. Not that you can really see very well, but I love that. Thank you. Okay, and then she sent me these gorgeous little metal charms. They're little hearts that say "made with love." They are the cutest little thing ever. Oh, you got some with little roses on as well. Oh, they're really pretty. Thank you so much, sweetie. I love them. They are adorable. Okay, and then she sent me an Emily non-wipe top coat and a base coat. I'm really excited to try these because I haven't ever tried any of Emily's products, so I can't wait to give them a go and see what they're like. And I'm always needing more top coat. I get through it like there's no tomorrow. So thank you so much. I'm really excited to try those out. Okay, and then she sent me a mixed bag of coloured feathers. I'm still yet to encapsulate some feathers in some nails. I've been meaning to for a while and I just haven't quite got around to it. But I'm sure they're going to look great when I do eventually get around to it. I really need to give it a try. I love the variety of colours she sent me as well. But yeah, I'll definitely get around to doing that soon, so thank you so much. I can't wait to have a play with them. Okay, and then we've got a whole selection of water decals. As you can see, there's so many different designs there. I'm sure I actually sent Vicky a load of these. I think literally exactly the same ones. Or very similar, because I bought a massive multi-pack and I gave Vicky quite a lot of them. But I really like them because they're just like quite simple, and like ones like that where they're just like the random patterns, they're really easy to do stuff with. And stuff like the butterflies are absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, thank you, Vicky. And then we've got some more decals. Some blue butterflies, some flowers, some more butterflies, and they look like rose petals. Some feathers, more flowers, some lips and flowers. These remind me of those like ceramic plates and bowls that you get, like the really old school type ones. And we've got these cute little ones, the blue flowers, loads of florals. I've got so many floral water decals. I've literally got so many. Got some more butterflies. Oh, they're nice ones, I like them. Oh, they're funky. I really like the multicoloured eyes. I've not seen ones like that before. They're cool, they are. Got some more feathers and some more flowers. So thank you very much, Vicky. I'm never going to run out of decals at this rate. I've literally got so many. Okay, and then I did know she was sending me these, but look how cute they are. They're like little holographic, sort of like rose, sort of pinky gold little Minnie Mouse bows. They're adorable. And she sent me so many of them as well. There's literally loads there. But I love them, thank you so much. They're like such sweet little bows. And they look like they're quite flexible as well, so they'll be really nice to put onto a nail. But thank you, I love them. Okay, and then Liz said she's also sent me some triangles. You got these pink ones which are called Candy Floss and these red ones which are called Ruby. They're absolutely gorgeous, and again she's sent me so many of them. I don't have any triangles or anything like that, so I definitely reckon those look awesome on some nails and I can't wait to try them. I've never bought anything from the Glitter Fairy actually. I should really have browsed on the website, because looking at the bits that Vicky sent me, she's got some really nice bits and bobs. So I'm definitely going to check out the store. But thank you so much, Han. I love them. They're absolutely gorgeous. I've got some smiley faces from the Glitter Fairy. They're really cute as well. The only smiley faces I think I got are either emoji decals or Fimo pieces. So yeah, I love them. They're really cool. I just love everything holographic. I'm just a holographic fiend. So yeah, those are beautiful. And then we got some wine glasses. I like them because I've looked at wine glasses before, but they've always been really, really, really large. These ones are nice and small. As you can see, they're proper tiny, they are, but I love them. They'll be nice and easy to work with, and they're also holographic, which I love. So thank you, sweetie. Got some holographic Mickey Mouse heads in many, many, many different colours. I did actually nearly buy some of these recently from a different seller. I can't remember who now, but I'm glad I didn't. Look at those though. And again, they're a really good size as well, because I don't always like really large sequins or shapes. But those ones are really cute and tiny. I can't wait to do something with them. They're absolutely gorgeous. I love the variety of colours that's in there as well. They are really, really, really pretty. There's some of those, more of those bows, but in red. Again, they are absolutely stunning, and I love red. I know Vicky knows that I love red stuff as well. But those are super cute. I love them. I've got some more bits from Glitter Fairy. These are little pink snowmen. Oh, they're cute. They're very iridescent as well. I can't wait till Christmas time, so I've been obtaining quite a bit of that Christmas stuff since Christmas. So I can't wait till Christmas time. I can dig all this lot out and play with it all. But yeah, they're super cute, and again, they're a really good size. So I can't wait to have a play with them. And I've got these from the Glitter Fairy as well. There are loads of Fimo canes. They're cool because I like them because you can slice them to sort of the size that you want them, which is always really good. Because sometimes when you buy pre-sliced ones, sometimes they're a bit thick, but they're like not thick enough that you can sort of cut them again without risking like chopping off a finger type thing. So I like these because you can sort of like cut them to the sort of thickness that you want. They're really pretty designs as well. Got some sort of different types of feathers there, which is cool. I haven't seen many like feather type Fimos, but thank you, honey. Okay, so she's also sent me a good mixed bag of different Fimo pieces. There's a great selection in there. There's literally a bit of all sorts, even some Hello Kitty ones there. Oh, they're cool. So I've got these smiley face ones already. I think I got from Charlie's Nail Art. And these ones are actually cut, like, it looks like most of them are cut really thin as well. There's a couple of, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but that one there is quite thick, and that's sort of what I'm talking about. Like, you'd have to encapsulate that in some acrylic to sort of make it look, like, okay, and not like, obviously you don't want that on top of a nail, really big and bulky. But like encapsulated in some acrylic, that's okay. But like I prefer personally like the really thin ones. Again, I don't know how well you can see that, but the thin ones are a lot easier to work with. That's absolutely awesome selection of different bits, so thank you so much. I love them. And we got some more of the unicorns. They're really cute. They're super iridescent and purple and pink, and obviously unicorns are so popular, so these are great when they've got a unicorn set to do. And they are quite large, but you can sort of like, you can work with them. You can sort of chop them in half and encapsulate them, and they are really cute. So she's also sent me these gorgeous Christmassy foil stickers. They're super sweet. You've got the Christmas trees, you've got little bows, baubles, snowflakes, they're little cherubs, are they called? I'm so useless at like remembering names of stuff. I do apologise. I think they might be cherubs or like angels or something, but they're super cute, and I like the fact they're shiny. Like I said, I've been obtaining quite a bit of Christmas stuff, so I can't wait till Christmas time when I can dig all this out and create some awesome nails. So thank you. She has sent me a nail file, which is always useful, always need more nail files, so thank you. She has sent me a bag of mixed bling. She sent me a bag of mixed bling before and I absolutely loved it. I sat there for ages looking through it all. She sent me some more of these. They're quite hard to see, but the little sort of like red crystals that sort of shift into multiple different colours. I absolutely love those and I've used them quite a lot since. So buzzing. Oh, I love that little heart. Yeah, awesome. Like I said, last time she sent me a bag of mixed bling, I sat there for ages going through it all, looking at all the different pieces she sent me. And I can't wait to do the same again in a bit. Those are absolutely gorgeous. I love these sort of like teardrop opal ones. Wow. Yeah, they're beautiful. Thank you so much. Okay, and then she sent me all these cute little pots of like fine glitter. We've got like a gold, a purple, sort of like burnt orange colour, an iridescent white. I really like that one. It's very pink with like iridescent. A nice red one, a green, and sort of like a sort of magenta pink maybe. But they're cute, thank you. I've literally got so much glitter. But yeah, I love them, thank you. I really, really love that one. Okay, and then we've got another glitter. Looks like more of a glitter mix. Ooh. Looks quite similar to the mix that she made me before, with all the little purple dolphins in. That's really pretty. I love all the little hearts in it as well. It's got like a right mixture of bits and bobs in there. I'm assuming she made that. Yeah, it's really cute. Thank you. So she sent me a detailer brush. I have actually bought the same set in the meantime because I wanted an ombre brush and I was looking online and the cheapest I could find one ombre brush for was £4. And then there was this set that come, I think, in a set of 12 for £7.99 on Amazon, which I thought was a really good price because I'm always in need of new detailer brushes. I like to have a good variety, and it did include the ombre brush as well, plus a load of other cool brushes. So I have now got the full set, and they are actually quite good brushes as well for the price. They're really cheap considering how many you get and the great variety that's in there, because you get detailer brushes in different sizes. You get like acrylic brushes and they're super cute as well. You can get them in red and I can't remember what the other colour was. There was another colour available as well, but yeah, they're really good brushes for the price. Okay, and then she sent me some red chrome. I've been after some red chrome powder since before Christmas, but I've been umming and ahhing about buying some because so many different sellers sort of, they use fake images to promote it, and you never really know whether it's going to be the true colour that you're after. This one does look really good though. There you go, look how good that is. That's like proper red. That's over a purple gel polish, but yeah, look how nicely that applies, and it's like the perfect red that I've been wanting as well. That's absolutely gorgeous. I'm definitely going to be using this quite a bit because I absolutely love red nails, and like I said, I've been wanting a good red chrome for several months now, so really excited about that. Thank you so much. She also gave me the little eyeshadow brush thingy as well to go with it, which is awesome. But yeah, I'm obsessed with that. You'll soon see me with some red chrome nails. And then she sent me a gold chain. I like this one. It's like almost kind of sort of like rose gold coloured almost. It's not quite as gold as one of the other chains that I've got, but I literally have like a silver chain and a gold chain that I got for Charlie's nail art, but other than that I don't have any chain. I like this one. It's slightly chunkier and it's just a slightly different sort of gold colour. But yeah, that's awesome. Thank you. And then she sent me some foil flakes. I love them. I love that colour. It's sort of like a very peachy, sort of orangey, goldy colour. And that's like jam-packed as well. How many have you sent me? There's so many. I've literally been obtaining loads of foil flakes lately. I'm going to have to send Vicky back some of the ones that I got recently because they're like really multi-tonal. If you saw my Hobbycraft video, you would have seen them there. But they were awesome. They're very multi-tonal. But yeah, I do love these. They do look really good on a nail. I just find them a bit hard to apply, but I'm sure once I've sort of done it a few more times, I would get the hang of it. It's just they are really fine. But they do look awesome on a set of nails, so thank you. Okay, so then she sent me a variety of stamping plates. Got this one here, which is quite cute. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit confused as to why it's so like sparse and why there's so little designs on there. They're really nice. I like the rose and I do like the designs on there, but I've never seen a stamping plate that's like so empty. That one's cute as well. That'd be good for like French tips with different designs. You got like the stars and you've got sort of like animal print maybe. and some like crisscross, some stripes. Yeah, it's a cute one. And then we've got this one here, which is sort of like a lacy sort of effect one. I really like this floral one here, that's really pretty. And the star one down there as well, they're really nice here. And we've got a New York one. I've not seen one like this before. That's quite cool. I like all the different balls and stuff. Obviously, I'm guessing that's an American flag, isn't it? That's cool. And a Statue of Liberty. And then we got this one. I wonder if they are meant to be actual characters. Vicky, you have to let me know, are they actual characters or something, or are they just random created ones? It's super cute. They're like the little faces, they are adorable, and I really like this sort of like little bow sort of bunting looking thing down there. And a cute little lollipop. That's really sweet. I like this one. I feel like I'm going to use this quite a bit because it's got the cats on it, and quite a few of the little girls like cats. So I feel like that's going to come in quite useful. I'll use that quite a bit. Ooh. Oh, I love this one a lot. I love peace symbols and everything like that. It's proper like hippified plate, that one, but I love it. Love and peace in there. I love that. That's awesome. I would definitely be using that one quite a bit. Thank you. Always need more stamping plates. Okay, so I'll save this one till last because I'm really gobsmacked she's sent this to me. But look at her beautiful butterfly. I can't believe she sent this to me. I know how much effort she put into this and how long it took her, and she was so proud of it, and she should be because it's absolutely beautiful. Like, look at it, it's absolutely stunning. I think it's her first time ever doing like proper 3D nail art like this, and she done so well, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. I just love she picked the perfect foil for it as well for the wings because it's just so multi-tonal and beautiful. I love the little rhinestones down the middle, and I will look after this and cherish it forever. And she's been so sweet, look. To Sammy J, love Vicky with a kiss. She is the absolute sweetest. I can't believe she sent this to me, but I will look after that. I'm going to put it above my nail desk and yeah, have it on display because it's really beautiful and I love it. I can't believe she sent it to me. It's just absolutely stunning. So thank you so much, honey. You really didn't have to send me that at all. But it's beautiful, and I think that's my favourite thing out of the whole box. But it's so special, and I know how long it took you to make, and yeah, gifts like this just mean so much. And yeah, thank you so much. I absolutely love it so much. So yeah, that is the end of my friend mail from Vicky. As per usual, she has absolutely spoilt me, and I couldn't be more grateful. So thank you so much. You've literally given me so much stuff, and I'm gonna have great fun playing with it all. And she's given me some really special things like the bracelet and the butterfly. They mean so much, literally they mean more than anything because they're homemade and they're special and they've been made with love, and yeah, they're absolutely beautiful, and you've done an absolutely amazing job with that butterfly. That is incredible, and I can't wait to see what else she create in future. But yeah, I'm going to start preparing a new friend mailbox for Vicky soon, so I've got loads of goodies that I want to give her. And yeah, I've been loving doing these little friend mail swaps that we do with each other. It's good fun, it's exciting to send each other like bits and not knowing what we're getting, and yeah, it's nice to share our bits that we get with each other as well, because we like buy these bags and we're never going to get through them all, so it's good to sort of split them and send them. So but yeah, thank you so much to Vicky. I really love absolutely everything you sent me. And yeah, make sure everyone that you go over and subscribe to her channel. She's an absolute star, and she does awesome nail art, haul videos, etc. She uploads regularly, like most days she uploads a video, and she's the sweetest, most loveliest person in the world. So yeah, make sure you go and subscribe. But anyways, I hope you all have enjoyed the video. If you have, please like and subscribe. Much love to you all. I'm going to go and put all of this away now and get this beautiful butterfly up on the wall somewhere to display. But yeah, much love everyone, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.